How to verify WhatsApp account. If any day any of you are a WhatsApp user and you would like to verify your WhatsApp account or get a green tick in WhatsApp account, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be a Wi-Fi connection or your data connection as well. After that, you have to go to the Play Store application here, and after that, in the search icon, you have to search WhatsApp Business because your regular WhatsApp application will not be able to provide you a green tick. Therefore, you have to search WhatsApp Business on your mobile device and then install it. If it's already installed on your mobile device, it's okay, but if not, you have to install it on your mobile device and you have to wait until it's installed on your mobile device. After the WhatsApp Business is installed on your very mobile device, now what you have to do is you have to open the very application by tapping on the option of open. After you open the very application, now you can see an interface like this. Now after you see an interface like this, now you have to follow the next other steps. That is, you have to tap on the option of agree and continue, and here you can do two of the option. Number one is you can use your existing WhatsApp application account here. Otherwise, you can also use a different number. For example, I'm using my existing WhatsApp number and going to the option of continue. After tapping on the option of continue, you can also allow WhatsApp Business to various kind of option here. And after you tap on the option of allow, now a very SMS code will be sent to your very mobile device that you have to put it on. And after you put it on the code that is provided to your very mobile device, now after putting it all, you have to go to the next interface. You have to wait for a while until the very code is coming on your mobile device because it may take time sometimes. Now after you find the very code on your mobile device, you have to tap it on, and then your WhatsApp Business account will be verified. Now after the verification is completed, now you have to go to the next step. That is, you will see an interface like this and all of your WhatsApp chat will be transferred here to the WhatsApp Business. Now after all of the chats and medias are transferred, you have to wait for a while, and one thing you have to remember is after you open the WhatsApp Business, now you have to go to the premium version to ask for the green tick in the WhatsApp. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.